Are you a woman with big dreams but unsure of what business to start this 2025? Are you tired of your 9 to 5 job that leaves you drained and unsure? This video is specially for you. I'm diving into top 6 business ideas that have low investment, high potential, and perfectly designed for women who want freedom, flexibility, and financial growth this 2025. See, many women today want to start their own businesses, whether it's for financial independence, to create a better work-balance life, or to turn their passion into profit. Every woman wants to do that. But the biggest challenge is not knowing what idea is viable in today's economy. Don't worry, let me solve that for you. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for always clicking on play each time you see any of my videos. Namaste. Merci beaucoup. I'm so grateful for all the effort you put into supporting this small, amazing community. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online, and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, then make sure you click on that like, you subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, because we upload videos on how you can make money online every other week, and you don't want to miss out on this. The first profitable business idea for women is digital product creation. I'm talking about things like ebooks, printable, and online courses. The reason why this works best for women is because it has low cost, no inventory, and passive income potential. Now, take an example of a stay-home mom like this who makes over $10,000 every month selling digital products. Amazing, right? If she can do this, then we too can do it. All you have to do is to select a digital product that you want to start with, and tools like Canva, Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable can actually help you to create a digital product seamlessly. Now, focus on evergreen niches like productivity, wellness, and parenting. These evergreen topics will make you a passive income with this particular digital product for as long as it is valuable in the market. If you want to know how you can use any of these tools to start out creating your digital product, let me know on the comment section, and I'm going to do a special video for you showing you how you can use any of these tools to start out. The second top business that you can start out today as a woman is freelance services. I'm talking about freelance services like writing, graphic designing, and virtual assistants. My God, this one will make you a lot of money in the shortest time possible. Now, why this is actually good and good for women who want flexibility is because you already have the skills. All you need is to monetize the skills you have. Maybe in writing, in graphic designing, in virtual assistants. Try any of this and you will make a lot of money. And the good thing about this is it has flexible work hours, and these freelance services are in high demand on the online space. And you can actually work at the comfort of your home, your office, or wherever you so desire if you get a writing job, a graphic designing job, or a virtual assistant job. Now, let me know in the comment section if you have an idea about graphic designing, but you actually want to make money through graphic designing or writing. And I'm going to do special videos for you guys on how you can get freelancing jobs on writing, graphic designing, and virtual assistants. Now, take an example like this.
Because it seemed unusual. I was making 5K a month within 6 months. I was making 10K a month within the first 12 months. And in my second year, I made my first 6-figure year. So people were like, how are you doing this? How are you making this much money in an industry that typically doesn't pay that well? It does, by the way, if you do it well.
My God, isn't this just magnificent? You can actually start out with platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, or Freelancer. There are many others, but you can try out these 4 at the moment. I bet you would make a lot of money from the online space. Now, let me give you a little tips on how you can make more money. You can try out hot niches in 2025 like AI content editing, Pinterest management, and podcast editing. If you try out one of these three, you will come back to the comment section to say, thank you, Claudia. You did good for me. The third business idea you can start out today as a woman is subscription box business. This one is niche based. I know most of you were like, Claudia, what is subscription box business?
A subscription box is a box of physical products that gets delivered to customers on a recurring basis.
My darlings, this is exactly what it is. And I'll advise you to try out this because a lot of people are yet into this kind of business. Listen, this one works best because personalized shopping experience is booming right now. People love surprises. Right here, I love surprises. I love when I don't have to ask you for something, but you just surprise me, maybe for my birthday, maybe just to say thank you for something and all that. Supporting women's own brands or supporting women's own business is also booming right now, just like you guys are supporting me right now. Listen, let me give you some ideas that can get you started right now. Wellness boxes, eco-friendly beauty products, books, tea combos. These are ideas that can help you get started right now. And you can use tools like CreateJoy, Shopify, Instagram for your marketing or any other social media platform you have. You can use TikTok, you can use even right here on YouTube. So it's time for you to take action. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try subscription boxes as a new business idea for yourself. The fourth business idea you can start out today is coaching and consulting business. You can try out ideas like lifestyle business, fitness. These ideas will help you start out. See, don't even go far to looking at these ideas I'm giving you. What are you skilled at? Any skill you have right now, maybe in cooking, maybe in electricity, maybe in childbirth, maybe in philosophy, in geography, whatever skill you have, maybe in knitting or whatever skill you have. Consult about it. Coach people about that skill you have. That is where you should start from. Go into the depth of yourself and find out those skills you have that you are sure that someone can benefit from. Create a channel on any of your social media platforms, maybe right here on YouTube or on TikTok or on Facebook or Instagram or any social media platform you're on, and start consulting people or coaching people about that. See, your story plus your experience is a valuable insight to get started with. And women want mentors who understand them. So while you're putting in your story and your experience as a valuable insight, make sure that you actually understand the people you're coaching or the people you're consulting. Listen, isn't this amazing and just easy for you to start out as a business? So you can do that too for yourself. Let me say, for example, you're in school and you're skilled in a particular subject, you're better than most of your course mates. You can now coach them on that particular topic that they are struggling with. You're coaching them and you're making money out of that. I'm just taking the list of the examples. If you're a student, you can still take this as a job, and while you're studying, you are also coaching your course mates and earning from that. See, what you need to get started is your niche clarity. You need to be sure of the skill that you have that people are in need of. The next thing is for you to find a website or a social media space that you can actually carry out your coaching sessions. You can use Zooms, you can use Calendar, and you can also use YouTube, almighty YouTube. Listen, let me tell you the top areas in 2025 that will make you a lot of money and give you a lot of clients. Wellness coaching, relationship coaching, career transition guidance, and also teaching people how to create a YouTube channel or how to use the social media platform. These areas I've shared with you will help you get started and get clients as fast as possible. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try out coaching as a side business today. So go down there. Business you can start out today: social media management and content creation agency. This one works like magic. Every company, every business, every person you see out there is struggling to get a social media account, whether on YouTube, on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, and all the other social media platforms out there, people are struggling to get channels there. People are struggling to grow massively. People are struggling to be seen. Companies want to stand out. With all this, the social media managers are in high demand in the market. See, the gospel truth is businesses need help in managing their content and their engagement. They need ideas for social media survey for women. Listen, let me give you some examples of people who are making it out there as social media managers. These examples will actually help you to boost your interest to become a social media manager. But wait, let me not take you far. Right here, sitting in front of you, I am a social media manager, specifically for YouTube. Now, if I tell you the amount of money I am paid every month to manage one YouTube channel, you'll be marveled. Let me bust your bubbles. I charge $1,000 to manage YouTube channels every month, but this depends on the strength of that YouTube channel. When it comes to companies or businesses, that is the amount I charge. But if it comes to individual accounts, I will go down to 50. And let me tell you the truth. When someone gets to me, a client gets to me that they want me to manage their channel, the first thing I do is you have to pay for a consultation. And that consultation is $150, non-negotiable. When you send it, I am going to go to the back end of your YouTube channel and check what is there to be done or what not to be done before we go ahead. So imagine if I have 10 channels to manage or 10 channels that are company channels to manage. $1,000 times these 10 different channels. It doesn't come when you start as a social media manager. You know, it's a progressive something. I'm not saying when you become a social media manager right now, you start getting this $1,000. You start charging for how good you are in managing the social media platforms. And what I will give you as an advice is, when you start out, make sure you charge something that is lower than the fee that every other social media manager is taking out there. This is so that you can draw clients to you, and when you become perfect and you can do better, you can now keep increasing your fee. Listen, there is no much work to be done as a social media manager. All you need is the intelligence right here, and then the rest is just seamless. Now, you can use tools like Canva, Meta Business Suite, Later, and Hot Suite for social media management. I even know social media managers that charge you up to $5,000 per month just to manage your social media account. And another advice I want to give you is, take a particular social media platform and make sure you are skilled at it. Just like I said, I manage YouTube. I'm a social media manager for YouTube. If you give me Instagram, I won't be able to do it. If you give me Facebook, I won't. If you give me TikTok, I won't. Now, why? You have to get one social media platform and be skilled at it, because it is not the same way you manage a YouTube channel that you manage Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter or all the other social media platforms. They all have their own algorithm. So you have to take time. When you're skilled at one, you're perfect at it, then you can now add the others, one after the other. I'm not saying you should concentrate only on one, but start out with one, and then when you are skilled at it, at that one social media platform, you can now add the other social media platforms to what you can manage. Guys, social media managers are making it big time out there. Every company you know want to have a social media account and stand out amongst others. This one, people are in search of social media managers. Just make sure you are good at it. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try out social media management as the job for 2025. Now, before we go to the 6th job, let me give you some tips that would help you to stand out as a social media manager. Guys, Google is giving out a free training, free certification training All you need to do is to go right here, follow this link. It's going to take you right there. You learn how to become a social media manager so that you can gain some skills. When you've had your skill, you can now create a theme page on any social media platform that you prefer, maybe Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or whatever. When you create the theme page, you start promoting what you can do massively. That theme page should be only about your social media management. This is so that you can reach out to the real clients who are looking for social media management. Your theme page will help you stand out. Spend some money to run Google ads on it so that it can reach a lot of people. These tips will help you excel in this new business. You don't need a lot of money. You can use $30 to run the ads. You can use $100. It depends on how much you have and how hungry you are to start making this $1,000 or $5,000. Like I told you, some managers are charging up to $5,000 to manage a social media account for a month. Good luck, and let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this out. And if you have any question, any worry, of course, I'm right here to respond to you. The safe business you can start out today is handmade and artisan products. I'm talking about products like jewelry, skincare products, weight loss products, crafts, and all that. See, have you seen the amount of people out there who are looking for skincare products that will give them a flawless skin and all that? Have you seen the amount of people looking for weight loss products? One thing about this particular business is it is forever green. People would always want to lose weight. People would always want skincare products. People would always want crafts and jewelries. So if you start a business like this today, you'll be making a lot of money. I know that a lot of you are always like, Claudia, what do you use on your skin? Your skin is so flawless. We wonder what you use. Even when you come close to the camera, you're just like a mirror. See, guys, take a look at this product. Do you know how much the CEO of this particular brand is making out there? Now, look at another product from this same CEO, this same company. This is another one. This is actually a slim tea, right? Now, look at another one. Organic black soap. And most of these things, you don't need a lot of money to get started. But when you get started, you'll be surprised at the amount of people who will come to you for skincare products. Now, look at something like this. Now, I am so honored and privileged to be a brand ambassador of this particular skincare product. So, every flawless skin that you guys have been saying, Claudia, your skin is so flawless, it's because of Classic Skincare. Now, help me to thank Classic Skin for sponsoring this video. And what I would advise you guys to do today is start a business in handmade and artisan products. And I bet you it is always forever green, and a lot of people are keen into skincare and crafts and jewelry and handmade products. If you want to get started on any of this, let me know on the comment section and I'm going to help you to push you through. Thank you all for watching this video till the end. Let me know which of the 6 businesses you're going to start out today. And if you want to start out, you have a problem, obviously I'm going to put you through. And if you want to use Classic Skin for your skin, I'm going to put her link below there, her phone number, the company phone number, and the page link so that you guys can go and get this product for yourself. If it's the slim tea, good. If it's the skincare product, good for you. Now, thank you all for watching this video till the end. If you have not yet liked, what are you waiting for? Please do click on the like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, and drop a beautiful comment right below there for me so that I will know that the information I share with you is of value. Thank you all so much, and until next time, bye-bye.